Hi, I'm Shane Balkham, Chief Investment Officer at U Asset Management, and welcome to my 2-minute missive. Seems appropriate time to review 2022. January has now been put to bed, and it was a rocky road in which to navigate. Equity markets were down, bond markets were down, bond markets considerably less, global bonds down between 1 and 2%, whereas tech-heavy equity markets down over 7%. Less tech-heavy markets like the FTSE All-Share or the MSCI, all countries world value, down only 0.3. Now, this tension is being risen by three main concerns. That is inflation. So we've seen inflation hit 7% in the US, 5.4% in the UK. Central bank tightening. So to combat inflation, we're seeing central banks around the world tighten policy. The Federal Reserve in the US is looking to raise rates 5 times now. That's up 2 whole rate rises from the expectations at the beginning of the year. And also they're expected to lift off in March, which is the same time their quantitative tightening package should come through. And then we have political tensions. Now, COVID has seemed to have taken a back seat so far in 22, and we hope that remains. Now, to fill that void, political tensions have come through. Namely, Russia and Ukraine is the most obvious one. Will Russia invade? Will NATO be able to put enough sanctions in place to avoid that situation? So all that creates a very volatile start to the year. Hence, we've seen a spike in equity market volatility. We always thought 2022 was going to be a bumpy ride. We're optimistically cautious that once rate rises are in place, that we'll see a clearer path to the end of 2022. Thank you for listening. These views are my own, and before you make any investment decisions, please seek financial advice. Cheers.